الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is belief in the hereafter and its role in personality development. The word akida stands for a firm belief in something. The word akhirat means the life that is to come after. Thus, belief in the hereafter means to have a firm belief in the life that is to come after this worldly life. The belief in hereafter is one of the fundamental beliefs in Islam. According to Islamic teachings, one day Allah Almighty will end this world, the whole world, with all its creatures. Then He will resurrect to make the dead alive again. All the dead will be resurrected from their graves and they all will come together before Allah Almighty. The complete records of deeds that people have done in their worldly life will be brought to the justice court of Allah Almighty. Then each person's deed, whatever good or bad, will be weighted. Then one whose good deeds weight will be more than the evil deeds, he will be forgiven, and whose evil deeds will be heavier than the good deeds, he will be punished. Those who are forgiven will go to the paradise, and those who are punished will go to hell. The importance of the belief of hereafter can be understood from the fact that the last prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam and all the prophets taught this belief to their nations. The belief of hereafter has been the fundamental belief in every era. One of the qualities of guided and successful people is mentioned in the Holy Quran that such people believes in the hereafter. Allah Almighty it states in the Holy Quran, وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and they believe in the hereafter.